so today is April 15th. So today is my surgery day. I told you guys that I wasn't going to tell you guys the date, but obviously this video is going to go up. So today is my surgery day. So we are actually going now. My surgery time is 8:30, but we have to be there an hour early. So that is what we are doing right now. A little bit nervous, but I know that this is going to be, the final chapter. So I'm kind of like building that in my head that it's going to be okay and that this is going to be it. So that's exciting. And yeah, so I will vlog when I get back into the, when I get inside, because I'll show you guys my stomach for one last time and then everything, so you guys can see what I'm working with. And yeah, so I will catch you guys in just a few minutes. All right, so they started me, and yeah, I'm nervous, but it's happening, so I have to take all my earrings out to avoid. All right, guys, so I've made it out. It is actually 2:37, so my surgery was at 8:40. It was supposed to start at 8:30, but we started at 8:40. Let me tell you guys something. The only part that I honestly and truly feel that hurts is the fat transfer to my hips. The fat transfer to my hips is really stingy, so I just have to I'm gonna go through all the medication that I'm taking and stuff later when I get settled in Connecticut, because I'm staying at my family's house in Connecticut. So I'll go through all the medication with you, but boy, that little fat transfer they did to my hips, that shit hurts the most. As far as my stomach, I did get an extra shot that I paid for, and the shot that I got is basically to have you good for 72 hours as far as pain in the stomach area. But like, bro, it's like weird, like, and I'm probably, honestly, I'm probably gonna have to take one of those pain pills when I get home, because like, it's just like a whomping feeling right now. So I'm sorry, I'm looking real ashy and crusty, but if you ever had surgery, you can't wear any lotions or anything like that, so I'm real ashy right now. But we are getting gas, and then babe's gonna take me, we're gonna go back to Brooklyn, to the apartment in Brooklyn, hang out a while because the dog needs to go out, get something to eat, and then we'll probably head to Connecticut around like 5:30. So I get there at 7. So yeah, but like, honestly and truly, I feel okay. That's okay. I feel okay, but I'm telling you right now, this is like, wow, shout out to the ones that get BBLs, because I know that BBL hurts. Like, I know it hurts. Wow. And I'm telling you guys, I don't feel my stomach. I just feel the way where they did the fat transfer. Like, oh my God. So I will catch you guys like a little bit later. Guys, thank you guys so much for all the support and stuff like that. I'm actually so happy that this is over with. And yeah, so I do have to do all this. I'll get into all the details and stuff. I'll show you guys everything when I get to the house and settled. All right, guys? Hey, guys. How's it going? So it is around like 10 o'clock at night, and I am in Connecticut right now. Say hi, Jan, because you're already making a whole bunch of noise.
Hello.
Hello. So I'm with my mom, my sister, and my cousin. They're going to be my main caregivers for the week. My boyfriend has to work every single day, and his job is just way too much, so he couldn't really take too much time off. He did take time off today to take me, which was great, so I was with him for most of the day. So right now I'm feeling fine. Like, honestly and truly, I expected this to be like 1,000 times worse than what it really is. So I got an extra shot in my stomach that will actually last for 72 hours. So it's actually, I don't know what the name of a shot is, but it helps numb your stomach for 72 hours. So for the most part right now, I don't feel my stomach at all. So where he did the injection of the fat on my hips, that part hurts. I'm not even gonna lie. The people that get BBLs and stuff like that, I do not know how you guys do it. This shit hurts. And I don't know if it's the fat or how he injected the fat in that made it hurt, but my hips are hurt. So the left side of my hip is really, really swollen. The right side is a little bit swollen, but it's not as bad as the left side. Like, the left side is super duper swollen over here. And you guys can see I guess the hips. So I do have a compression garment on right now, and I do have fluff underneath it and some type of padding. So the padding is like really, really fluffy like that. And yeah, so for the most part, I saw like a little bit of the incision line. I can't take this off for a week, so I'm probably gonna be extra smelly because I can't take a shower. And yeah, so I'll probably I'm just gonna get like little bubble baths, you know, toilet for my Haitian people that know what that is. So I'll probably do a few toilets, and my mom will help me out with like baby wipes and stuff like that. Why y'all so silent? Go ahead and talk. It's not a big deal.
I need to use this ice thing.
No, don't use that ice machine right now, bro. Let me finish my conversation. Whew, laughing and coughing is just a nightmare. Go ahead and use it. Go. God, I need to use the ice machine. So let me show you guys what pills I got, because I know people are gonna ask. So I'm on antibiotics. I'm on cephalexin, a 500 milligram tablet, once by mouth 3 times a day. Then I'm on gabapentin, which is kind of like a nerve relaxer, I believe she said. You know what? Is this a nerve? Yes, it is. Dom, you got this, bitch. So take 2 capsules by night, by mouth the night before surgery. Then take 1 cap by mouth 3 times a day. So I'm taking both of these 3 times a day. Antibiotics and the nerve relaxer. And then I'm still continuing my iron. I had to take iron before this procedure because my iron level was 12.0, so I needed it to be a little bit higher. So I'm taking iron supplements just to make sure that my iron stays good. Let me show you guys the drain, because I know that's the main question someone's gonna ask me. So I do have a drain, have 1 drain on the side. So, this, yeah, well, it's not really a warning because I have it hooked up on the side of the couch right here, but the drain is located right here on the side of me, probably mostly where the hip was, the fat transfer to the hip. I'm actually curious on why he did it on this side, and it's funny that he did it on this side because this is my side where I carried most of the saggy skin. My skin was really, really saggy on this side. So I don't know if that's why he's trying to drain all the fluid from here, because I had a lot of fat pockets on this side. So this is the drain. Let me try to hold this in a way that's going to work. Oh my God, did I just switch cameras? Wow. So let me just hold this so you guys can see what it looks like. So this is the drain. Sorry, guys, if you guys are grossed out. So it's mostly like blood tinged with a lot of that emulsant fluid. That's what they call it. So I just measure it every day just to make sure, every hour, just to see how much fluid I accumulated during my day. And I change it quite often. I just pour it into the bucket that I have next to me. Yeah, I'm ashy. My lips is chapped, but I was able to put this wig on my head. So I'll link this wig up in the card section. I did go ahead and put like little highlights in it, so it's definitely different from the first time I reviewed it. This is a glue stain right here, and you know when you put glue on your shirts and stuff like that, it doesn't come off. But if you have a recommendation on how to get this glue out of my t-shirt or out of my little bra, let a girl know, because this shit is not coming off. So I'm about to have something to eat. I know it's kind of late to eat, but I haven't eaten since the first meal I had was like 4 or 5 o'clock. So I need something else. Like my meal wasn't satisfying enough. And plus me and my boyfriend shared it, so you know that ain't satisfying. So I had my Oxy, I had one. So I'm probably dragging this conversation along, guys, but I wanted to give you guys a little bit of an overview on what's going on. So today is surgery day, and this is surgery day after hours. I'm feeling fine. I'm actually pretty surprised, like I said, but I will come back to you guys with the day 1, day 2 vlog, just to give you guys some more insight. I am walking. I'm not walking straight. I'm walking slouch. So I will film that, show you guys what my day is like tomorrow. All right, guys? I'll see you later.